Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious creamy caramel sauce. To a thick bottom saucepan, I'm adding 220 grams of granulated sugar. To the sugar, I'm adding 8 tablespoons of water under a medium heat. I'm adding the juice of half a lemon. I've got all my ingredients ready and close at hand. Things move pretty quickly once the sugar starts to colour, and I don't want to be scrambling about for things while my sugar burns. So as you can see, the sugar is dissolved and it's turned into a syrup. I'll keep it going on a medium heat. At this point I really have to watch it because it can burn quite quickly. I want my caramel light in colour, so as soon as I see a hint of colour, I'm taking mine off the heat. Okay, so I can see there's a touch of colour now, so I'm just going to turn the heat off and I'm going to give the pot a swirl round. And in goes my 110 grams of evaporated milk, and I give that a really good stir. Now I add my 75 grams of cold butter. Now for a lovely flavour, I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The sauce still looks a little thin at the moment, but I'm not worried at all because I know it will thicken up as it cools. Even though the caramel is still warm, you can see it's getting a lot thicker. So there it is guys, our delicious thick caramel sauce. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. And if you press the like button, that would really help me out too. Thank you for watching, take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.